Good morning, everyone. If you are not aware, this year is Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary. The celebration actually started October 1st of 2021, and I believe it goes until October of 2022. They put gold statues throughout the park, 50 different statues for 50 years, and they just released on the Disney Shopping website these figurines. And they limited how many you could buy. This is series 1, and there's only 10 different figurines. So since we know there was 50 in the parks and this says series 1, I'm assuming they're going to put them out in waves. And so we were able to get 8 boxes. As soon as they were listed on the website, they sold out within an hour. And that usually happens with very popular items, but it's been happening a lot more lately since Disney shut down most of their brick and mortar stores. So when buying on the app, stuff definitely sells out a lot quicker than it used to. So these little vinyl figures were $9.99 a box, or maybe it was $9.95. And they are blind mystery. They were sealed. I did already cut the seal to just make it quicker. And so we're going to open them up and see what figures we got. Hopefully we didn't get too many duplicates because there's a chance of 10 different. And with these blind bags, these mystery toys, you cannot return them to Disney Shopping. You can't exchange them. Once you got them, you got them. So let's see what the first box is. And the boxes are nice. It's got this little iridescent castle. Okay, and then we have a gold foil bag. Very nice. It is foil. Sometimes when we get these mystery toys, they're in black plastic bags. So this is interesting that they're in this nice gold foil. So just rip that. And what do we get? So our first statue is, Edna from The Incredibles. So it is gold vinyl. She's got a little stand attaching her. And it does say Walt Disney World 50th. Just says Walt Disney World 50. And the copyright. Okay. All right, put that right there. Next box. I think the limit we could get was 8. You couldn't just buy like tons. The parks are limiting like how much merchandise you can buy per person, and they also do that on the website. So it kind of makes it fair to everyone, so not all the Disney shoppers buy up everything to resell. Oh, Dumbo! That's a nice one. With Timothy on his trunk. I was trying to think of the word. Maybe an elephant trunk. I really like these gold foil bags. They remind me of food bags, actually. Like Mylar food bags. Or Capri Sun. Oh, another Dumbo. A bummer. Our first duplicate. Pretty sure these are sold out. I don't know if they're going to release more of. I know it was sold out, but sometimes when they sell out something, check back a couple days later, they put more out there. Don't think they ever did on this, and I don't know if they'll bring more of the series 1. So if I want all 10, I'm gonna have to buy on eBay. Ooh, this one's nice. Look at that. Figment. I really like that one. Oh my god. Apparently Dumbo is quite popular. What a bummer. Now I have 3 Dumbos. Oh, and an Edna. My luck is not good today. Way too many duplicates. What one do I really want? Let's just see. So they got Mickey, Winnie the Pooh. I think that's Stitch, Dumbo. I can't tell what that is. My eyesight's not the best. Cheshire Cat. I would love the Cheshire Cat. That's Edna, Tinkerbell. That's the Figment. What is that one? I swear to gosh, I'm losing my eyesight. Two of these I'm not. I just can't tell. Can you tell? I think that's Nemo. So what is that? Dodo. I want the Cheshire Cat. Let's see, 2 more chances. Can we get the Cheshire Cat? Oh no. Gosh, if this is another Dumbo, I'm gonna be quite upset. Look at that. I gave myself some luck. I got the Cheshire Cat. Yay. All right, now I just want any that's not Dumbo. No duplicate, please. Please, no duplicates. This is a small, I know, this is small. It's not Dumbo. What could it be? Might it be something different? Oh, it's Figment. All right. I got way too many duplicates for just having 8 figures. So, but you know what? I got the Cheshire Cat, and that's my favorite. And they are pretty heavy duty vinyl. They're not hollow, so they're very sturdy. Kind of remind me of like plastic Zoom Zooms. So definitely not like cheap McDonald's toys. They are pretty solid. I like it. All right, there you go. So if you're interested, just pay attention to actually download the app on your phone. They have a shopping app on your phone, and then you can like favorite stuff, and I think they might give you notifications when stuff's released. I'm not for sure. My husband does all the shopping on this, but he gets the app on the phone. So yeah. So this says series 1, 10 different. I know they're gonna have at least 5 series because remember, 50 statues at Walt Disney World. I know they're gonna have a toy for every single statue because you know Disney, they want to make as much money as they can. But these are cute. $9.95. I think it's worth it. I don't know. Remember when toys were like $6, but for $9.95, it's still very cute. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.